Randall deserves this award because he spent more than 40 years now fighting for Nevadans who have been harmed by defective products, defective construction, and injured in terrible accidents. He's just a top-notch advocate and an even better person.
He is one of the most hardworking, well-respected, just kind human beings that I've ever met.
He is the most ethical lawyer I know, and he will always take the high road whenever there's a dispute.
Passionate. Randall is so dedicated to his career, and no matter what the case is, big or small, you can't tell a difference.
He just brings calm to difficult, stressful situations in the complex cases that we do. And another thing, Randall is one of the top commercial litigators in the state as well.
Not only is he a great civil and commercial litigator, but he always made sure to have time to give back to the community and take pro bono cases. He, not only ensured that our firm was the top donor to the Legal Aid Center of Southern Nevada, but Randall himself also takes on massive pro bono cases and also encourages and supports my love for pro bono, and I'm really grateful for that.
Randall's an incredible person because he truly cares about people, and he cares about the people he works with and the people who work for him. He cares about his clients.
So Randall has always been a fighter, and he always likes to fight for the little guy. And I know the Nevada Justice Association is very close to Randall's heart. And till this day, we're all, members of NJA, and I know it's very important to him.
Maybe the biggest way that he's helped the legal community is all of the younger lawyers that he's worked with and trained and taught and showed how to be a good lawyer.
We had a case that we were going to Seattle for the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. So I was there, another partner was there, our clients are there, everyone walks through just fine. And as soon as Randall walks in, security for some reason immediately stopped Randall, put him up against the wall, and Randall was getting searched, and he had to put his legs up, and I secretly snapped a photo of that.
When I think of Randall, I think that no other Nevada attorney wears a three-piece suit better than him.
It's interesting about how my career evolved. I did not actually plan on being a trial lawyer. And it was only my good fortune that I found, first of all, I thought that was, no offense to my transactional friends, but really boring. And the firm, my father's firm, Jones, Close and Brown, that I worked for, needed trial lawyers, and so they had me do a couple of litigation-related matters. And I found that was where my home was, and it was just such an incredible fit. And I've sort of never looked back. To me, to be a trial lawyer, you have to be competitive. You can't do it otherwise. It doesn't work. And I don't know where that came from. I think you asked my family, I was that way since I was 3 years old. And it's not just the competitiveness. I really think this is important for a trial lawyer. I really think this is important. To have a passion about your case. If you don't, that's going to come across. And if you do, it's going to come across. In thinking back about what I've done in my career, I think back, I can still remember my very first jury trial I did, and how scared I was to be in that courtroom trying to do that, and some of the big victories that I've had. But when I think about it, every win that you have is like the best. So it's, I think other people can look at my career and say, well, that was a really big case, better than I can. I just think of every time I wanted to win.
Congratulations, Randall. It's been an honor working with you for all of these years. I've looked up to you my entire career as a litigator, and I can't think of anyone else who's more deserving of this award. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Randall, on your Lifetime Achievement Award. It's an honor that is well-deserved, but it's been an honor for us also to have worked with you Your mentorship has meant a lot to me, and I know to many others who've come through this firm. So thank you, and congratulations. Well done.
Congratulations, Randall, on being presented with the NJA's Lifetime Achievement Award. It couldn't be given to a more deserving person.
Congratulations, Randall.
First, I think it's important that I thank my wife, Kathleen. She's an excellent trial lawyer, and she has been instrumental in my success because she understands what I do for a living. I also want to thank all of my partners, both past and present, for all that they've done to help me in my career and make me successful. In particular, I've got to call out Will Kemp, who is still my partner. I had some wonderful partners who've retired over the years, but Will and I are still at it, and Will Kemp has taught me a whole lot. He's an incredible lawyer, and I've been very fortunate to be a partner of his. And all the other young partners of mine and the young lawyers working for me, I got to thank all of you. Thank you so much for all you've done to help me be a better lawyer.